Hi, I'm Roy from Roy's Garage. Today I'm going to be working on a 1995 Chevy pickup. This is a 2500 series. I'm going to be replacing this door handle, the inside door handle. It's broken. Okay, these are the tools that I'm going to be using today to do this job. A hammer, a punch, a drill, a rivet gun. This is a 3/16 drill bit, a door panel trim remover, Phillips screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, and a window crank remover. Okay, these are the parts that I'm going to be using to repair this vehicle. This is the driver's side inside door handle assembly. This is an aluminum rivet, 3/16 in diameter, 1/4 inch grip, and I'm going to be using this to secure the door handle to the door. Okay, so we're going to be removing this bezel. All you got to do is stick this tool in and kind of lift it up. It's clipped on. On there. You got to kind of pry it. Okay. Okay, now we're going to be removing these two screws.
These two Phillips screws.
Okay, so now we're going to be removing this window crank handle. I'm going to have to remove the clip that holds the handle in with this tool. This is the clip that you remove, then you can remove the handle. Okay, I'm going to be removing this plastic piece and pry it out. Now we're going to remove this door panel. Okay, now we can lift it up. So now what we're going to do, we're going to drill this rivet out. So I'm going to use a 3/16 drill bit to drill the head out. So I'm going to drill this rivet. Okay. So I'm going to punch that rivet out. Then I'm going to have to disconnect these linkages. Okay, so we're going to be prying this linkage off. Just pry with a screwdriver. Even if you break it, it doesn't matter because we're going to have to replace this handle. Okay. Then this other piece, we're going to have to remove this one, broken piece. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to be connecting this new door handle to the linkage to snap it in. There's one on the top. Just have to snap it in. Then we can install the handle on the door. So make it go forward and then pull back. So now I'm going to be installing the rivet, the new rivet with this rivet gun. Stick it in there and just keep compressing it until it breaks off. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to install the inner door panel. Hook it on the top. We're gonna have to put in the guy in there. Snap it in there. Okay. Then we can install the armrest. Install these two screws. So now we're going to have to put this clip back on the handle. There's these grooves right in the door handle. I'm going to be installing the clip. That's the lock to hold the handle in. Then we put this plastic cover over. Put the handle right in there. Snap it in. Okay. Now we're going to be installing the bezel. One more piece. Installing this. And that's it. That's how you replace the door handle. Okay, that is how you replace a driver's side inside door handle. If you like my video, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up. And I'll see you in the next video. Aloha.